So this video is more like benefits of having a deep voice. This is after जब तुमने मेरे और सारे videos follow कर लिए होंगे and you actually have a deep voice. So सबसे पहले मैं benefits बताने से पहले ये चीज़ें बता दूँ कि तुम्हें लोग क्या क्या बोलेंगे. तुम्हें सबसे पहले ये accusations मिलेंगे कि तुम्हारा जो face है वो तुम्हारी voice से मैच नहीं करता. उसके बाद तुम्हें लोग बोलेंगे कि तुम अपनी वॉइस को मैनिपुलेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो क्योंकि योर फेस डज नॉट मैच योर वॉइस. Just because you are some 5'9" dude with no beard does not mean, I mean, that was personal to me, but that does not mean that you cannot have a deep voice. And people will think that when you're on a call with them, people will think that you are some 6'4" dude with a lot of beard and a lot of hairs on his chest. But actually, you are not. You are just some dude with a little muscle mass and a deep voice. Right? These are the accusations with जो तुम्हें लोग बोलेंगे. जो तुम benefits सुनना चाह रहे हो, like the girls, actually that does not really happen. Girls will like your voice, but it just comes to your personality after that. Like they'll get attracted by your voice. They'll stay for your voice, just for your voice for a while because you are the only person they know जिनकी एक voice deep है. क्योंकि मेरे पास ऐसे like not to brag or something, but I have a lot of girls who just are with me just because I have a deep voice and it's just good to flex. When you are at a young age, girls just like to flex their guys, right? The people they know, the people they have a network with, they just like to flex that because to girls at that age, status means a lot because they just want to flex in front of their friends और वो सिर्फ अपने दोस्तों को बताना चाह रही है कि देखो मेरे पास कितनी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं और तुम्हारे पास नहीं. So you just become that object and you actually objectify a man in that scenario. You just become an object to flex for her. And that can be good, that can be bad according to your taste. I don't know, man, right? So yeah, that is something that you have to experience and that you'll actually experience eventually. After you watch my videos, you'll get a deep voice and it's just like after that, this is the life you have to get yourself ready for. It's just like तुम्हारे पास सारी चीज़ें हैं जो तुम like respect है, तुम लोगों को बोलोगे and people will actually listen to you. Even if you're talking bullshit, people will listen to you. But after a while, like there is this friend group of mine. It's like शुरुआत में मेरी जब वॉइस चेंज हो रही थी they were there, right? तो उनको इतना चेंज ही नहीं लगता मेरी अभी वाली वॉइस से और पुरानी वाली वॉइस से. They just feel कि हाँ gradually change हो गई. It's the same, right? Because they have been listening to me like forever now. Like वो daily मेरी बातें सुनते थे and they were like it gradually grew into them as well, right? So अब मैं बकवास करूँगा उनके सामने तो नहीं सुनेंगे because to them I'm the same person, right? But to new people, like अगर तुम एक नए conversation में जा रहे हो and you are like trying to speak something, people will like हर एक की आंखें तुम्हारी तरफ होंगी. People will just stare at you and people will even accuse you of you having a fake voice, which is something जो कि तुम्हें शुरुआत में अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, but after a while it's just fun to experience that because people are so insecure, trust me. After my voice got deep, everybody was so insecure. Like people are just so insecure about, especially guys, right? Guys will try to attack you in conversations just because you have a deep voice. And you know, there's this thing on social media that the person who has a deep voice will attract a lot of girls, and guys just get insecure about that. And on top of that, if you look decent, if you have a little muscle mass, guys will get hell a lot insecure. Or वो तुम्हें like they'll just try to attack you, take you down, and something like that. Like not physically attack you, but in conversations, right? Like they'll try to insult you and shit, and you'll just catch it. Like so when somebody is insecure and when somebody is not. And some guys will try to hang out with you more because they think that you are a status to them as well because you have a deep voice. और मेरे साथ एक और चीज़ हुई थी कि मेरे बहुत सारे जो दोस्त थे मुझे अपना पापा बना के अपने टीचर से बात करवा रहे थे कि एक बार मुझे डॉक्टर बनाया था, एक बार मुझे इवन किसी ने दादाजी बना दिया, पता नहीं भाई क्या क्या. Like this shit is not something that is like all the way fun. There are things जो कि तुम्हें अच्छी नहीं लगेंगी, but that is good, right? Like if you get a deep voice, it's just like, yeah, after a while it's just fun. And yeah, if you have a voice like me, you can even start a channel or something. You can go into voice dubbing or something. Even I got some calls after like the agency I was working in previously, they had this role of like dubbing, like voice dubbing, voiceovers actually, so that like मेरी voice if you listen to it through a mic or something like professional mic, it sounds like AI. And even मेरी conversation skills भी उतनी बुरी नहीं है. So they just tried to, make me voice over that shit. But I tried to say no because it was just a lot of work for me. Like, I was working in that agency, and on top of that, I'll have to give extra hours for voiceovers. And I've been working in that agency for like 3 months now, so it was kind of hard to actually get the paycheck for my own voice. That was an add-on, right? So yeah, if you try to do this will actually work. Like, people will try to tell you that you can actually work as a radio jockey, you can speak in shows, podcasts, because just what your voice can actually achieve. Like this, the whole voice thingy. If you actually achieve it, it can make your career too. Like, it's just कि तुम्हारे पास सारी चीज़ें होंगी. You will be equipped with everything that you need to get into multimedia agencies, even voice dubbings, voice artists, like a lot of shit, right? So these are just benefits that you can get. And I've been getting these benefits. I've been working in agencies and I've been getting money through that only. And yeah, that is the thing that you can actually get. Like, you get it, right? The accusations I was getting, like previously the accusation of fault that I'm trying to manipulate my voice. Agencies test you. They test you, they make you say things that will actually break in normal person's voice. And I did that. I got that. And there was nothing to be more credible about me after an agency actually approached me, right? So I do not need to prove my credibility to anybody now. And to new people, it doesn't even matter, because who cares what they think, right? So yeah, these are some benefits that you'll actually experience after you get the deep voice, after you follow my methods, because these are not methods that I think will work for you. These are methods that will work for you, and that is something I'm certain of. So yeah, and all, like, if I try to sell you something that's like split that I've made, जिसमें सारी exercises होंगी जो तुम्हें actually follow करने के बाद तुम्हारी voice deep कर सकती है, because there's this NSV, AE, like a lot of shit that I've made into that split, and there's this PDF that I'll give it to you, and every Sunday I'll give you like one call just to get you personalized about your own voice. Like, I will actually tell you how your voice sounds, if it sounds fake or not, if your testosterone is low or something. You'll get it. So yeah, these were the benefits, and own your voice.